In this video, I will show you how you can use the Lidar sensor on your iPhone. Now, first of all, just make sure that your iPhone has this sensor. Now, if you look at the back of your iPhone, you will see a black dot. Now, this is the Lidar sensor, and all the Pro iPhones starting from the iPhone 12 Pro all the way to the iPhone 17 Pro have this sensor. But if you have an older iPhone, or if you have a normal iPhone like the iPhone 12, 13, or even the 17, all of them do not have this sensor. Now, if your iPhone has this LiDAR sensor, then just open your iPhone. Over here, you will find a folder called Utilities. Just tap on it, then tap on Measure. Now, with this app, you will be able to use the LiDAR sensor. Now, first of all, just scan your area using the camera of your iPhone. Now, once you have scanned your area, a small dot will appear on the screen. And with this dot, you can start measuring. Now, for an example, I will measure the length of my iPhone's box. I'll place my iPhone's box over here. Now, just place this center dot at the start point of the object, just like that. And once you place this dot at the start of the object, then tap on the plus icon to mark the object. As you can see, from here, you can start measuring. Now just drag this dot to the end of your object, then tap on the plus icon to mark the end point. Now as you can see, this is how you can measure objects using the LiDAR sensor, just like that. And also there are some other apps in the App Store which use the LiDAR sensor. For example, there are some furniture apps like IKEA which support LiDAR sensor. And with the LiDAR sensor, you can scan your room, and after that you can place objects in your room. And this is how you can use the LiDAR sensor on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.